Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw together. We're going to be drawing a unicorn today. Let's start off with a big swoop for the head. So it's just a big U that stops right about there. And then for the hair at the top, we're going to go up and out. Try to touch that first line you did and come around like this. Now let's start here and go in and up. This is where the horn is going to be. So let's make our unicorn horn go down and stop. We're going to go down again and then stop. Let's curve off the bottom like that. Now this part is going to connect to its ear. So let's start here and then go up a bit like that. And then the ear is going to come around and stop. Same thing, around and then stop again. This hair, pretend like it goes past the horn and then it goes through the ear like that, like past it. And then we're going to draw past the ear and go down and out like that. Now same thing again, we're going to start about the ear and then swoop down the same way you did earlier, curve, 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 and then stop again. Finish off any lines that need to be connected like that. Same thing over here, finish any lines that need to be connected, might need to connect like that. Now let's draw the face a bit before we start getting into more of the mane. I'm going to draw an eye that's curved like that, then 2 lines for the eyelashes, and then for the nose it's just going to be a simple curve, and for the mouth just a smile. Very cute. Now start where the mane is again, and this time we'll go around and then stop at the end of the first line that you did. Same thing, we'll start at the ear and then go around, and this time we'll go up a bit like that and then swoop down and come in towards the rest of the hair. Now let's start drawing the body a bit. The body's going to start at that big curve that you just made. So I'm going to start here and then draw a line that curves down and then in. For the tail, it's going to start right here on the back and then go up and then out, down and around. Same thing, we're going to draw up, down, and then a line in. One more time, up, down, and I don't have any room, so I'm going to come down here and then swoop down to connect that line. If you did have room, you would just keep following that line without going behind it like I did. Now let's draw a couple of the legs here. I'm going to leave a space and then draw a line down like that. And then I'm going to draw a curved line that goes around and connects that line. Now there's going to be a back leg here, and the back leg is just a curve that goes in, and then it has a line and then a curved line in. There we go. Now let's create the front side. The front 2 legs start here, and then we're going to go down. Now let's go out like that and then go around and in and up. Now we're going to make one more leg coming out of here, so I'll go down and around. Now I'm going to make 2 lines like my other one, 1, 2, And then we're going to pretend like this line goes through the leg on across the other side and then around and touches that leg. How cute. Now you can leave it like this, or I've seen some unicorns have like stars or hearts on the back. I'm going to make a heart on mine, so it's just a curve and then a curve around to connect that heart. For the horn, I'm going to make little curves like that to make it look like a spiral going down. Perfect. Now let's color it in. Here's our cute unicorn. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.